Welcome to JH. Investigating Visionsync Multifocal glasses revealed several immediate red flags. They assert that ophthalmologists recommend the product, yet fail to name a single professional. The image of the supposed doctor appears to be AI-generated, making the endorsement seem fraudulent. Product specifications are equally problematic. There is no listing for lens details, optical power ranges, or coating information, nor is there an explanation of how the multifocal clarity actually functions. If adaptive tech exists, it isn't disclosed. They also omit standard features like UV protection or legitimate eyewear certifications that are standard for real products. Their marketing is questionable, offering broad vision improvement promises for those aged 34 to 74 without providing scientific proof or technical data. External customer reviews are non-existent. Furthermore, the website uses aggressive pressure tactics like countdown timers and constant discount banners typical of untrustworthy sites. Ultimately, the lack of technical info, fake endorsements, and suspicious reviews make this product feel unreliable. For those seeking real vision correction, it is best to avoid this.